All right. I kind of feel like Sammy at this point, but yeah, I've I don't know what else to do on the car, so I think I've got it. Um, I got just a traction control light, but the procedure they want you to do is, whew, take two. Sorry for the horn, y'all. Check the plug. I went through their whole procedure. Check the back plug for any corrosion right there. So I checked the plug, cleaned it really good. All right, Train, we get your point. Um, put the Tech 2 on it, clear it out. You had to have it in navigation radio. If you had it in the other one, it won't communicate. So, after that, program it, delete it out of there. Then disconnect battery, 15 minutes, reconnect battery, see if the code's cleared, and it should be cleared and ready, and hopefully brake lights will work. If not, uh, this will be the first car ever leave here that I couldn't do nothing with. But, cause I've checked every circuit, pulled all diagrams, everything on this car to get that traction control, even put a new brake pressure switch in it, relearned. Yeah, it's been a crazy week on this thing. So, and I can't spend no more time on it. I got to get on something else. But, anyways, so cross your fingers. Hopefully this is it. You can't eat Larry's computer, okay? I know it does. You gonna fix it? All right, here's your computer. Well, not your computer, let's see. I can't remember what this is called. So, anyways, we got it out, and I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna open this thing up, see if there's any corrosion or anything. All right, here we are on my double chin. We're into Larry's car. We're gonna check out the connection to the pump. Let's go. All right, as you can see, there's the plug right there. So we're gonna get this thing unplugged and check it out. If I could do this in one hand, it would be amazing, but I seriously doubt I have to do it with two. So just hang tight, and all I'm doing is checking the connections with it to see if there's any corrosion in between these two. So hang tight. All right, here we go.
Plug it back in, and maybe that makes a difference because of.
This looks a little brownish right there, but here we go. All right. All looks good from here, what I can see. All right, I'm gonna video this. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Let me go get my hand in there first. All right. Now, this. You see how loose that is? When I do this, take it off. Boom. Breaks. Boom. So I need to space this out. Somehow this is probably worn, because you can see this comes off. This pin, we'll see how to get it off. Somehow, we'll get it removed and find some way to, because it's what it's doing. It's giving me all right, let's check it and see what's up with it.